the interior lights don't work, they work, but there's a outlet in the back that kicks out. There's not enough power or something along those lines. I can't remember. The electrician came and looked at it and he said we'd have to replace a power inverter or something.
Yeah, okay. 110 power inverter, yeah. And then I noticed that the one CRT didn't work. Did it ever work while you were here?
Yeah, it worked. And actually, once in a while, it'll come on, but it doesn't stay on.
Okay.
So it just didn't work when I first started here.
Yeah.
And then over time, it just worked out.
And you guys just don't use it, huh?
Not on this machine, we don't know.
Okay.
Basically, we run pattern backs and small one-off jobs on here.
Okay.
Jobs that we typically won't need to see what the tool path's going to do, you know.
Okay.
It's almost always the same thing in this machine. I'm just running a skim pass because the unevenness of the raw material is hard to know if it's going to take 100 or 50 or,
Gotcha.
So I touch it off and drop it a few thou, and then the next pass will be a solid 40 or 50 thou.
Okay. Yeah, you'd hate to have it come in and find out there's a little extra material there.
We've had that situation before. Doesn't quite have the torque of the OKK.
Yeah, it's different machine.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Machine's very quiet.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, all the waves, everything, the waves through and all that stuff is all in good shape, so. Now here's 40 thou.
Okay. And what's that material, cast?
Yep, that's ductile.
Okay.
Yeah. But we do cut 13, stuff like that along those lines in here as well.
Okay. And then what kind of tolerance do you have to hold?
+5 -0.
Okay. So plus 5,000 -0?
Yeah.
Okay. And you're probably not doing many holes. That's mostly material removal? Drilling holes, tapping holes?
Yeah, we drill a lot of holes in here, tap a lot of holes in here.
You do it? Okay.
Yep. We just got a new tapping arm, so it's kind of been a little bit faster for us to just drill the holes in here, pull it out, and then tap all the parts all at once. You know, when we send the parts to the next guys down there, so when they go to mount them, they just use the new tapping arm.
Okay.
You know, sometimes we do tap holes in here. I'd say it's about 60% of the time they're tapped in the machine, and the other 40 would be just manually.
Okay. And so it's doing end mill work for a while now?
Yeah.
Okay. Because you're doing that whole shape. You're kind of roughing out that shape, is that correct?
Right now?
Isn't that what you will be doing? Or?
Oh yeah, the insert back. So basically, what we're cutting out is what's going to sit down inside of a plate.
Okay.
And then we cut the pattern, and then that insert is still in the plate, something like this. You know.
Oh.
That'll be an insert. So basically, we take a piece of material and we cut this shape.
Yeah.
And then insert it into a plate, and then cut the top.
Okay.
Usually what we do on this is like that one, and then we'll cut this all off, all those corners off of there.
Okay.
So it'll look like this, and then this will get inserted into a plate, and then we'll cut the top profile on.
Ah, gotcha. Okay.
So during the day we run a lot of this stuff, and then the plates.
Yeah.
And then at night we do all the profile, because those are low profile on the back.
Okay.
And then it also will drill all the holes. Are you tapping on this or using tapping on it? We used to tap on these machines. Now we have pneumatic tapping on them.
Yeah.
Just found that pretty much like a 60/40.
You want the doors open when you run?
Yeah, I can turn the coolant off.
Could you, if you don't mind, I would love that. I got enough shirts with a line across the middle of my chest from coolant. Starting to dry. And coming up here, it's been raining.
You just gonna put a little air on there.
Taking 250.
Pardon me?
250 a pass.
Okay. And was that programmed inside? Or did you guys didn't do this one on the machine, right?
No, yeah, that was programmed with the software.
Yeah.
We don't do much out on the machine.
Yeah. I mean, this is pretty complicated stuff when you get it done.
Yeah. Just about, I'd say 95% of everything we do is the offline program.
Yep.
Okay.
But the capability's there.
Right.
So it's not a WinMax.
This. So that's a finishing end mill? It looks like the finish
Yeah.
is getting
Yep,
getting
this
better.
will be usually what they do is they run a brand new one for so many times, and then they'll go to, then it becomes one that will
Okay, so then it's a rougher.
Yeah. Just so we can keep a good finish on everything.
Yeah.
It's tight.
What do you have to have, a 64 or something, or a 125?
For the finish.
Yeah.
We really don't have a spec called out. I think on the patterns it's a 125, but on the inserts, but any type of variance and they don't fit into the insert.
Ah, I got
So
you.
that's
It's
where-
more about fit. Okay.
Yeah, more about fit. To make sure, you know, this tool was sized and everything, to make sure that when we cut the pocket, it slides in there and we don't have any hang-ups on it.
Okay. So this will go around twice?
It's got one more pass after this.
Okay. Per pattern now? I mean,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So this will go pretty fast here on the spot drill, though, and then it'll get the drill.
How many holes does it do?
I think there's 7 of them. So there's 4 more, I think, left. Oh, I take that back. There's 6 of them. The other half, that's 2 more after.
Yeah, I think I'll just watch the holes drill, and then there's probably what do you go to next?
That's it.
That's it. Well, then good. That'll work fine. Is there any chance that I could look inside the electrical cabinet without it being a big problem?
You want tattletale on me?
No.
Okay. Yeah. Because technically they're supposed to be
Right.
electric.
That's yeah.
But if we just keep it on the DL, we'll be
Yeah. Yeah.
That was worth it.
Good.